Hello, little friends. Today we're going to learn addition. Let's start with 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 2. Great job, everyone. We have 1 apple, add 1 more apple, so we have 2 apples. Let's keep learning. Are you ready? 2 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 3. We have 2 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 3 apples. 3 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 4. We have 3 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 4 apples. 4 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 5. We have 4 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 5 apples. 5 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 6. We have 5 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 6 apples. 6 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 7. We have 6 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 7 apples. 7 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 8. We have 7 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 8 apples. 8 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 9. We have 8 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 9 apples. 9 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 10. We have 9 apples, add 1 more apple, so we have 10 apples. Wow, you're amazing. We've learned all the addition equations. We've had so much fun learning together today. You've all done an amazing job. Now it's time to say goodbye, my little friends. But don't forget, we'll have even more fun lessons waiting for you next time. And oh, if you want to keep learning and playing with me, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, 123 Learning. Click the button below, and let's keep exploring the world of learning together. See you soon. Bye-bye.